Ever wondered what Google's cooking up with its latest AI, Gemini? We're diving into the internals of its mind-blowing capabilities and asking the real questions. Does it outshine ChatGPT? Google's Gemini has finally hit the scene, and trust me, it's not just another tech buzzword. This AI model is making waves, and for good reason. Developed by the genius minds at Google and DeepMind, Gemini is touted as the most capable and versatile creation to date. In this video, we're going to dissect what makes Gemini tick, from its fundamental features to its impact on the future of AI and humanity. So, what's the deal with Gemini? First off, it's not just a one-trick pony. Gemini is what we call multi-module, meaning it can handle various types of information with ease. Text code, audio, images, and video, Gemini has got them all in its wheelhouse. This is a big deal because it marks a significant leap in AI versatility across different data types. It's not picky about where it operates either, whether it's crunching numbers in a high-powered data center or chilling on your smartphone. Gemini adapts like a chameleon. Now, let's break down the difficult flavors of Gemini, each catering to specific needs. First up, we've got Gemini Ultra, the big daddy of the bunch. If you've got complex tasks that demand serious computational power, this is the model you're looking for. It's the heavyweight champion, ready to tackle the most intricate challenges. Next in line is Gemini Pro, a balance between power and scalability. It's the Goldilocks of the trio, fitting just right for a wide range of tasks. Last but not least, there's Gemini Nano, the pocket-sized powerhouse. If you want AI magic right in the palm of your hand, managing tasks directly on your device, Nano is the go-to model. It's not just about size though. Each variant is designed with precision and purpose. The lineup offers a range of possibilities, ensuring that Gemini meets the diverse needs of developers and enterprise customers alike. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Google has armed Gemini with Cloud TPU v5p, the latest and most powerful tensor processing unit or TPU system. This isn't just fancy jargon, it's the secret sauce that accelerates Gemini's development. What's a TPU? Think of it as a turbocharger for training advanced AI models. It makes Gemini learn faster, enabling the creation of large-scale generative AI models in record time. Cloud TPU v5p is a significant upgrade from Gemini 1.0, which relied on Google's tensor processing units v4 and v5e. These TPUs are essential in powering AI-driven products like Search, Gmail, Maps, and YouTube. With the introduction of Cloud's TPU v5p, Gemini's efficiency and capabilities have reached unprecedented levels. Now, let's touch on the broader implications. Gemini isn't just about making AI more powerful, it's about making it more accessible. The adaptation of these models, from the heavy-duty Ultra to the on-go Nano, opens up a world of possibilities. Developers can tailor their approach based on the specific requirements of their project. This versatility ensures that Gemini isn't confined to a niche, but can be harnessed across a spectrum of applications and challenges. But here's the real game changer. Gemini is poised to shape the future of AI and humanity. The advancements in versatility, adaptation, and efficiency sets the stage for a new era in artificial intelligence. We're not just witnessing an upgrade in technology, we're witnessing the evolution of how we interact with it. From the powerhouse data centers to the convenience of our smartphones, Gemini is bridging the gap and bringing AI closer to everyday life. Next, we've all been itching to know how Gemini stacks up against other heavyweights in the language model arena, right? Well, according to Eli Collins, the VP of Product at Google DeepMind, Gemini isn't just holding its own, it's likely breaking some ground. So, they did what any self-respecting tech wizard would do. They put Gemini through the ringer with comprehensive testing. They threw everything at it, from natural image and audio comprehension to mathematical reasoning. And guess what? Gemini Ultra didn't just pass the test, it aced it like a champ. Out of 32 widely used academic benchmarks in language model research and development, Gemini Ultra outperformed state-of-the-art benchmarks on a mind-blowing 30 of them. That's not just good, that's groundbreaking. Hold on, it gets better. On the massive multitask language understanding benchmark, Gemini Ultra hit a whopping 90%. Let that sink in. It surpassed human experts. We're talking about a benchmark that covers everything from maths and physics to history, law, medicine and ethics. Gemini Ultra flexed its intellectual muscles and left GPT-4 in the dust, scoring 86.4%. And it didn't stop there. Gemini Ultra nailed infographic understanding, scoring 80.3% compared to GPT's 75.1%. These aren't just numbers, they're a testament to Gemini's prowess in diverse domains, setting a new standard for large language models. Now, let's talk about how Gemini trains. While other models struggle with training distinct components for different data types, Gemini flips the script. Instead of juggling different pieces and hoping they fit together later, Gemini is inherently multi-module from the get-go. Pre-trained on diverse data types right from the beginning, it's like giving Gemini a head start in the race. And the fine-tuning, it's the secret sauce that boosts efficiency, making Gemini not just good, but exceptional. Now, let's zoom out and look at the real-world applications of Gemini. This isn't just about impressing tech geeks, it's about changing the game across industries. Gemini's multimodal reasoning abilities makes it a wizard at deciphering complex written and visual information. Imagine sifting through a massive dataset and extracting valuable insights in the blink of an eye. Gemini does that effortlessly. And here's the kicker. Gemini is a coding maestro. It doesn't just understand code, it can explain and generate top-notch code in languages like Python, Java, C++ and Go. Gemini Ultra's coding prowess isn't just a claim, it's backed by benchmarks like Human Eval and Natural 2 Code, where it outshines the competition. Now, for all you developers out there, the long-awaited Gemini Pro is finally here, accessible via the Gemini API in Google AI Studio or Google Cloud Vertex AI, starting December the 13th, 2023. This means a world of possibilities, from improving coding tasks to streamlining complex problem-solving across different domains. And as Gemini starts making its mark across products and platforms, the applications are becoming clearer. Bard, for instance, is getting a turbo boost with a fine-tuned version of Gemini Pro, marking the most significant upgrade since its launch. And the Pixel 8 Pro is the first smartphone engineered to run Gemini Nano, bringing new features like the summarize function in the Recorder app. But wait, there's more. As Gemini spreads its wings, it's not just about fancy applications. It's about enhancing the user experience across the board. Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Search are all getting a taste of Gemini's magic, reducing latency by a whopping 40% in English in the US. It's not just a tech upgrade, it's a game changer. Finally, let's talk about safety, because when we're dealing with a powerhouse like Gemini, responsible usage is non-negotiable. Google knows it, and they've embedded some serious safety measures to ensure Gemini's powerful capabilities don't accidentally unleash chaos. On the Gemini Ultra front, Google is leaving no stone unturned. It's in the final stages of trust and safety checks, and they're not taking any shortcuts. Red teaming by trusted external parties is on the agenda, making sure that Gemini Ultra can stand up to any challenge. But it doesn't stop there. Through fine-tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, Gemini Ultra is getting a polish to ensure it's not just powerful, but ethically sound. And it's not just about tech advancements. Google is actively seeking input from users. They want diverse perspectives, and they're incorporating them into Gemini Ultra's ongoing development. It's like they're building an AI that not only breaks boundaries, but also respects ethical standards and user expectations. Anyways, what do you techies think about it? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below.